going to give you some feedback on week 2 and week 3. Now, you had such a nice self-evaluation for week 1, but you've left it blank here. So you make sure that you figure that, improve that. You did a pretty solid evaluation of your looking for information literacy resources, which was great. And I don't see a link to your activity, but the reflections are pretty good. Uh, Now, for some reason, this is blank, so that's the second thing that's missing, and that's also missing in week 3. So I don't know your progress there. Even if you're not making progress, let me know so I know where you're at and saying what your plan is, and you telling yourself what your plan is. The in-class contributions, it's very well articulated. You put in a solid resource here. And again, there's no self-evaluation here. But the one thing that the cat is out of the bag now because you did this incredible Gen AI activity there. And I thought it was just really, really well done. You've articulated. I mean, obviously the ChatGPT gave you responded to your prompt, but your prompt was very good. And then you came up with nice, well, the challenges. You put that in there, and then you then evaluated one challenge, and you gave it a really interesting. It was a really solid evaluation, and I was very impressed with that. That's A plus quality work. So now I know you can do A plus quality work. I'm going to be pushing you to do A plus or 8A plus quality work. That might be a bit unfair. So that's a good summary. Again, as I said, you didn't have the personal Gen AI project information. I don't know what's going on with that. It sounds like you have a good plan, but I'm not sure if you're kind of being able to follow through. And maybe that's just other assignments being due, and I understand. But at one point, you want to kind of try to catch up. And then you didn't find any Gen AI resources. I'm pretty sure we were supposed to do that. I stand corrected. You were supposed to evaluate one of the resources generated by your peers, and you didn't do that. So the work that's not there, obviously, you didn't complete it. However, I have full confidence that you can do really good quality work and top this up to be quite exceptional. Okay, that's my feedback.